Oh man, it's windy. I definitely know my wind noise is on. Sun's out. Brisk and cold. So hopefully this won't be a long walking, talking 360, but let's get going. So that's a rock down there, almost looked like a bird egg. So how's everybody doing? Having a good time enjoying this Samsung Gear 360 2017 or looking to get one? I'm having a fun time. I got Power Director 16 Ultimate. I really haven't gotten to use it. I fell behind in some of my editings because I'm still catching up editing regular clips. I know motion track doesn't work great, and it is what it is, meaning that it's a little difficult to get going at the start. But at least I know how to get the title and things like that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll catch you all later. I don't want to make an hour-long video. A few minutes, perfect time for a run test for sure, because it's down to the 40s. The camera's definitely not going to overheat. So, maybe we'll do a live stream later with the Gear 360 2017 via laptop. Have a great day, everybody.